Hey there. If you're new to trading, you might be making some common mistakes that could hurt your profits. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 trading mistakes that every beginner should avoid. Top 5 common trading mistakes every beginner should avoid. Mistake number 1, not using stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order helps you limit your losses if the stock's price starts to fall. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Mistake number 2, chasing hot stocks. If a stock has already made a big move, it's likely too late to buy. Don't chase after hot stocks, focus on finding undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. Mistake number 3, overtrading. Trading too frequently can lead to excessive fees and taxes, which can eat into your profits. Keep your trades to a minimum and focus on quality over quantity. Mistake number 4, letting emotions drive your decisions. Emotions such as fear, greed, and hope can cloud your judgment and lead to poor decisions. Keep a level head and stick to your trading plan. Mistake number 5, not doing your research. Always research a company thoroughly before buying its stock. Look at its financial statements, management team, and industry trends to make an informed decision. Avoiding these common trading mistakes can help you become a successful trader. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and resources.